Good afternoon, everyone, and this is Alan with Bronx World. Glad to see you guys again. I think I'm up to 97 subscribers. You guys are just blowing me away with the support and stuff out there, and I love the community. I've actually talked to a bunch of you, and everybody's just been a great person, right? Good people to talk to. Um, and I love seeing the interaction of the community out there. You know, I talk to, like, say, the beginner biker, and he's talking to this guy, and I'm talking to Mild Hogs, and he's talking to this guy, and I got a couple of new YouTube channel recommendations from one of the subscribers. So the Dirty Vagabond Motorcycle, I've looked at that. I think it's Dirty Motorcycle Vagabond. Check that out. It's just some good channels. So love the interaction with you guys, and I'm so happy that you guys are out there, and hopefully maybe this summer I can meet up with some of you guys. Otherwise, as things go forward, I know we're going to be at Sturgis this year, so maybe I'll be able to meet some of you guys out there. But this video, we're going to go over some of the cleaning products I use on my bike. Cleaning products, spray products for my bike, right? Let's start with the what makes the chrome pretty, right? I really never had polished my chrome before. Never tried it, never did it at all. But I use Harley Davidson, the bare metal, right? This works great. I take one of these nice soft towels, microfiber towels, dip it in here, you rub it on, get it nice, and then use the other end of the towel to rub it off once it gets cloudy, and it makes a beautiful shine on there. Maybe when I get the bike back out and it's a little bit warmer, I'll show you how that works. But right now, that's what I use for my chrome. That's right side up, but that's what I use for my chrome. It works great. I love it. Now, after you've gone riding for a good day, especially in the summer here in the Midwest, South Dakota, Minnesota, you get bugs on your bike, right? And I'm a huge fan of these products. Wizards does a great job, but this is Wizards Bug Release, right? They are not a sponsor of the channel, neither is Harley Davidson. But if you'd like to be a sponsor, let me know. I will work with you. But Wizards has this product called Bug Release. You spray it on a couple times, let it sit for like, I don't know, 30, 40 seconds. Everything rubs right off. I love this stuff, especially in the summer when those bugs are really, really bad. This takes a lot of that frustration and that scrubbing out. So I love that. Try Wizards Bug Release. It's great. Then, once I got the bugs off, I want to make it clean, right? So I use Wizards Bike Wash. These three come in a kit. The next one I'll show you is in the same kit. It comes with some microfiber towels, a little carrying case, and these three things. But the Bike Wash is awesome. Spray it on, just kind of like Windex, right? Spray it on everything, wipe everything off. It does a really good job of cleaning and getting those dirty spots in your bike clean. But then the last one, once you got it all clean and all pretty, you want it to stay pretty and sparkle in the sunlight, Mist and Shine. Wizards Mist and Shine. This is, it makes everything super glossy, super slick, and I mean, it just makes the bike gorgeous. Everything shines, looks pristine and pretty for quite some time. So if it rains, everything just comes right off. Really great product. So check this out. But those are the products I use on my bike to keep it clean. So short video today, but hey, I'm glad you guys are watching. I love having you guys out there. I can't wait to meet some of you. Stay warm out there. I'm going to get on the bike eventually. It's late January here. Snow's on the ground. It is chilly, but ride safe, my friends. I'll be out there sometime. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you later.